All right, guys, so this is just a quick video of kind of what I'm talking about with the new topics that Facebook has. So when you're on mobile, if you go down our page, you'll notice that there's this area of popular post topics. I could either click on them individually or I could click see all, and you can see all the ones that we've created. Basically, what we're trying to do is just make it easier for you guys to navigate the page so you don't have to scroll through everything. I just added an auction one today, so if I click on auction, I went in and I gave a topic of auction for this specific post. So going forward, when I see them on the page, I will add the topic of auction to them so that you'd have a one-click option to just simply look for all of the auction posts. Same goes with Brewers, Chinooks, T-Rats, Admirals, Bucks. The Bucks has to be updated yet, but these other ones when I click on them, so if I click on Brewers 2019, then it takes to the one post that I've tagged right now for that, which has all the information for the Brewers this season. If you are doing it from a computer, so if we go on to our page here up in the top right hand corner, you'll notice we've got the popular topics in posts. You could just simply click on them from here. When you click on a topic, it simply gives you all of the ones that we have given that specific topic name. So again, you get your auctions, your Admirals, T-Rats, Chinooks, Brewers, Bucks, etc. So that's kind of what we use topics for, and hopefully it'll be beneficial for you all. If you have any questions, feel free to message one of us, and we'd be happy to help you out.